Guys, today's class is very important. Today's class is very important. If you don't understand today's class, module pool concept is gone, guys. Gone. You will not understand module pool concept. So that is the reason wantedly I have given break yesterday because a few people has messaged me that won't be joined. So because I want everyone to be in the class, so I given a break, guys. Okay, let me record session for you. Next concept is, guys, module pool programming, guys. MPP, module pool. You can call it as module pool programming. Module pool programming, or some people in interviews, some people they call it as dialogue programming, guys, or it will be called as dialogue programming. Dialogue programming. Anything is, both are same, guys. Both are representing for, give me 1 second, guys. Someone is trying to join. Yeah. Yeah, Narayan. Yeah. Yeah, hi, Narayan. Okay. The next concept is called module pool programming or dialogue programming. Both are same, guys. Both are same. Both are same. Okay. Now, what we are going to achieve in this case? What you are going to achieve in this module pool programming or dialogue programming? Anything, both are represents the same. Okay. What will happen is we are going to design our own screens now. We are going to design our own screens. This our how our output should look like. Okay, or we want to enter some data here. Here I will click a back button. If I click on back button, it has to go to back. For example, there is one more screen here. If I click on this, it has to go to this screen. If I click on next button, it has to call one more screen. Here I will click on submit button. Here I will click a submit button. Whatever the data you have entered in all these screens has to store in my table, guys. Has to store in my database table. Means what we are going to do this in module pool programming, we are going to design some screens. Okay, it is known as a screen programming also, or we can call it as screen programming. See, dialogue programming or screen programming, both are same case. Screen programming or dialogue programming, both are same case. Okay, now, okay, this is clear. Now, see, guys, what are the events we have in module pool? You see, whenever we are speaking about module pool programming, we have 4 events, guys. Mainly events. What are the events? Events in module pool, guys. Events in module pool. First event is process before output. Second one is process after input. Third one is process on value request. Fourth one is process on help request. See, out of these are the 4 events, guys. These are the 4 events. I am more interested on these first 2 events, guys. I am more interested on first 2 events. Process before output, I will call it as PBO. I will call it as PAI, guys. PAI, process after input. Okay, this one is POV, process on value request. This is called POH, process on help request. See, these are the 4 events we have in module pool, guys. 4 events we have in module pool. How many events we have in module pool? 4 events. Pakka interview question, guys. Interview, this question will be asked. What are the events in module pool? Process before output, process after input, process on value request, process on help request. Out of these 4 events, I am more concentrated on these two events, guys. These two events. These two events. Can someone read this event and can you give me some small information about this? See what you understood about this case. Process before output. What is the meaning of this case? Process before output. What is the meaning of process before output? Hello. What is the meaning, guys? What is the meaning?
Process something before the output.
Yeah. See what is the meaning is. What is the meaning of this is? For example, your in your mobile, guys. In your mobile, for example, there is an application, guys. There is an application. For example, let me take WhatsApp. There is a WhatsApp application, guys. WhatsApp application. This is WhatsApp application. Okay. If you click on WhatsApp application, what will get opened, guys? For example, this is there are so many applications, guys. Not only WhatsApp, there are so many applications. There are so many applications now. So many applications. In these applications, if you clicked on WhatsApp, sorry, if you clicked on WhatsApp, for example, this is your phone, you clicked on WhatsApp, guys. Now what will happen? Now what will happen, Nana? If you click on WhatsApp, what will happen? WhatsApp application will get open, right? Your WhatsApp application, this is your WhatsApp application, Nana. Your WhatsApp application will open. Okay. What are the see before opening this WhatsApp application, before opening this WhatsApp application, what it will do? It will do some process. What kind of process? What are some chats? Okay, what are the groups? Okay, what timestamps? Everything will get loaded now. Everything will get loaded. Where it will get loaded? Where it will get loaded? On this one. Process before output. Before displaying your WhatsApp. Before displaying your WhatsApp, there will be one event will get triggered, Nana. There will be one event will get triggered. That is known as process before output. Before this, process before output will get triggered. Process before output. PBO will get triggered. Once this event is getting triggered, your screen will get displayed. Your screen will get displayed. Okay. Now we got some multiple charts, guys. We have multiple charts, like for example, mother, sister, father, brother. So many charts are like this. Contact numbers. If you click on your brother, guys, if you click on your brother, what will happen? If you click on your brother's phone number, what will happen, Nana? What will happen? Can anyone say me? Can anyone say me if you click on your brother's chart, what will happen? Your brother chart will open completely, guys. Completely, it will get opened, right? This is going to open completely. Correct, guys? Are you guys using WhatsApp or not?
Yes, sir.
See, same thing now. First, you are clicking on WhatsApp. You are clicking on WhatsApp. If you open WhatsApp, all the chats will be open like this, case. All the chats. If you want to message to someone, if you click on that message only, it will open, guys, completely in the full screen. It will open that particular chat. Correct? Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Please unmute. All people unmute, guys. I want a response from you because if you don't understand this, you will not understand remaining concept, guys. Please pay attention for only for 20 minutes, guys. Please trust me for 20 minutes. Okay. Now, see, guys, what is happening is if you click on your brother's chat, now what will happen is process after input will get triggered, guys. There is a event called process after input. PAIE means you clicked on this. Process after input will get triggered. PAI will get triggered. After PAI, it will check the logic, means on which button he has clicked on. Okay, for example, you clicked on your brother's button. Okay, now it will load all your brother's chat, guys, all your previous photos, what you have shared with him. It will load everything, guys. After loading everything, before displaying Nana, before displaying, which event will get triggered again? Now this screen has to display. No, this screen has to display. Which event will get triggered? Again, PBO
PBO.
will get triggered. Again, PBO will get triggered. This is the flow, Nana. This is the flow. PBO will get triggered. See, just understand the flow. If you click on something, it will go to PAI. In PAI, it will load all the chat from after executing the logic. Again, PBO will get triggered. Again PBO will get triggered. From PBO again your screen will get triggered. Your screen will get triggered. These are the two events only, guys. You have to remember, execute the flow, guys. You have to execute the flow. Let me explain you one more scenario, guys. Let me explain you one more case for you. Paint. See, for example, I have one application, guys. I have one application of three screens. I have one application of three screens. This is screen one, means the starting screen, guys. First screen 100, guys. My first screen 100. This is my second screen 100, guys. This is my second screen 100. Second screen 200. This is my third screen 300, guys. Third screen 300. Now what I am doing is see here. Please understand, Nana. I am executing one T code. See, this is the link, Nana. See here, I will put a button. Here I'll put a button, Nana. Here I'll put a button, next, back, and here I will create a finish or exit. This is close, Nana. This is close. This is next. This is next button. Next button. This is back button, Nana. Back. This is also next button. Next. This is finish, Nana. Finish, or you can call it as exit. You can call it as exit, Nana. Exit. Exit means you want to close the app. Exit. See, now my requirement is, guys, my high level requirement is, if I see this.
Agnivesh,
Yeah.
can you put some screens from SAP so that it is more, it will be more easier?
No. Wait. Not. I will explain you. First, you want to understand the flow. See, I am not putting any, anything, but see, just a flow. Okay, let me show you, guys. Let me show you the screen.
No, because the layout, what you're saying, it can be, it will be evident for us to understand also.
Okay. See, for example, no, not now. Give me 2 minutes. Let me complete this flow. Then I will show you the screens also for you. Okay. See, for example, D code is ZABC, guys. There is a T code. See, first what I am doing is I am going to your SAP screen. Here, SAP screen. See, in my transaction code, I am executing like this: ZABC. If I execute my ZABC, which screen will trigger first, Nana? Which screen will trigger first as per our discussion? Screen
100.
Yeah, screen 100 will get triggered now. Screen 100 will get triggered. Before displaying this screen 100, 100 PBO of 100 screen. PBO of 100 screen will get triggered. PBO of 100 screen will get triggered. Okay, from here what will happen, Anna? After this, your 100 screen will get triggered. Your 100 screen will get triggered. This is your 100 screen. Now what I am doing here, I have two buttons, Nana. One is close, one is next. If I click on close, what button will get triggered, Nana? If I click on close, what button will get triggered?
Preview only again, because
PAI will get triggered. PAI.
Visualization.
Yeah, it will means process after input will get triggered. Means I am giving some input, Nana, on the screen. 100, I am giving input. I am giving enter, or I am clicking. Means it is nothing but input, Nana. PAI. It is nothing but PAI. PAI of 100 will get triggered. And what will happen? In the PAI, I am writing a close option. In the PAI, in the for close button, for the close, I'll put a condition. If I have clicked on close, I need to close this application. For example, if I have clicked on next button, Nana, if I click on next button, If I click on next button, it has to call this 200, Nana. If I click on this next button, what should call? What should it call, Nana? What should it call? It has to call 200 screen. Now here I have clicked on next button. Now which event will get triggered, Nana? Which event will get triggered? Anyone in the class? Anyone in the class? Which event will get triggered?
Again,
PAI
only.
of 100. Again, PAI of 100. This is also an input. This is also an input, Nana. I am giving input. PAI of 100. Now, in the PAI of 100, I am saying to my system, you need to call 200 screen. Now, system is calling 200 screen, Nana. Before calling 200 screen, which event will should trigger?
PBO.
PBO.
Yeah, PBO of what?
200.
Excellent, guys. I should call the PBO of 200. Please understand, guys. I should call the PBO of 200, Nana. PBO of 200. Don't get confused, okay? This is the flow. I should call PBO of 200. See, this is the one. Now your screen will get displayed, Nana. Your 200 screen will get displayed. Your screen will get displayed. Now here I have two options. One is back and one is next. Now I want to discuss about next, guys. If I click on next, see, I am clicking on this tab, guys. I am clicking on this tab. Now you say me which button will get triggered, which event will get triggered.
See, PAI of 300 would be triggered, and with the output of 300, PBO of 300, right?
No, wait. This is 200. This is 200. Okay, this is 200. Now I am clicking on in 200 screen. I am clicking on next. Which event will get triggered now?
300 event, not the 300. The event associated with your next, the screen.
No. Any other answers?
PAI
Yeah. PAI of what? PAI of what?
of 200.
Excellent. Yeah. PAI off, because I want to see I am in 200 screen, Nana. I am in 200 screen. If I click on 200 screen next button, it has to call PAI of 200. In this 200 screen, I will be saying I will be writing a code. Please navigate to 300. Then it will navigate to 300. Before navigating to 300, which event will get triggered? Which event will get triggered? Excellent. PBO of 300. PBO of 300 will get triggered.
Agreed. That means on the screen 200, whatever you are trying to click or provide your action, your initiation, that action is from that current screen itself, right?
Yes.
That is PI, right?
Yes. PAI, if you do any interaction on the screen, PAI should get triggered. Process on that screen, PAI should trigger. In PAI logic, in PAI, you will be writing where it has to go. Okay. Now,
one second, another question to you. That is, see, here you are just showing us the action associated in terms of buttons.
yes.
Right? What about radio buttons?
First understand these buttons. First you understand the flow, then we will go forward. Okay.
Okay. No. That is what we see in screens, right?
Wait. First you understand about this. First you understand the flow of PBO and PI. Later
Understood.
you will run. Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Understood.
First you understand this. We will see that logics also. Okay. Now guys, now I am in which screen, Anna? 300 screen. Now we are in 300 screen. Okay. Now we are in 300 screen. Screen number 300. Okay. Now we are in 300. What button we have, Nana? Check what button we have? Exit button. Exit means what? I want to close complete application. Correct? If I click on exit, what will get triggered, Nana? What will get triggered?
PAI.
Yeah, PAI of 300. Here I will write the logic leave to screen 0, some logic. Okay, leave to screen 0. Okay, this is the logic. Now you say
Is
me,
it,
guys. Here I
Agnivesh,
have back button, Nana. Wait. Here I have back button. In 200, I have back button. If I click on back button, I want to go to screen 100. Now you say me which event will get triggered here. Excellent, guys. Excellent. See again. See, you don't know. You don't consider whether it is going forward or backward. Just understand the flow. That's it. Whenever you are hitting any button, PAI event will get triggered. If I am going to another screen, PBO will get triggered. That's it. That is the flow, guys. That is the flow. Girls, are you getting?
Yes.
Everyone, I have heard only one voice, guys. PBO of
Agnivesh. Okay, that means PV of 200 when you're coming to the back button. Reverse.
200. PBO of, see this one, with this one, PBO of which one, Anna?
100.
Yeah, PBO of 100. PBO
Uh,
of 100.
my question here is, when I click back button also, I'm having PAI 200, PAI, okay, that means initiation is here, right? Okay. See, when I press back and next, I'm getting PAI 200. How
Yes.
do you differentiate whether it is, now I am little confused. Whether are you see since you are mentioning back, it is like that. But when you look onto that, the callback function that is PAI 200 at the forward and backward. How do I different? How do you differentiate that screen sequences?
That I will say. That I will say. You are going in depth. Okay, just be there only.
No, because see PAI 200 is at both the places, right? I don't know how what others feel. I see two PAI 100 forward and backward. Now, how do I know? Associate.
Okay, wait. You are very hurry. Okay, let me show you. Wait. Let me show you. Wait. I lose the flow actually. Okay, that's the reason.
No. You complete your flow. We'll see that later. Hills.
Okay. See, let me take one transaction. Okay, let me take any transaction, guys. You open any transaction. See, for example, I am opening SC11 transaction. Okay, if I
Correct.
click on slash h, see if I click on slash h, every screen will have two function modules, guys. Everything will have two modules. See what you found here. What you found here. Process before output, PBO and PAI. See, this is the event, Nana. This is the event. See, now what I am doing is, see nothing. I'm putting a slash h. I am putting a slash h. Now I am just clicking on enter, guys. Now I am just clicking on. I am not clicking anything. I am clicking on enter. Means enter means what, Nana? Enter means what? Some action, right? I'm performing some action. If I am performing some action, which event should get triggered as per our discussion?
PBO, the next screen. That is 200. The next screen.
No, which event has to get triggered? If I
PA,
perform any action, which event, which
Yeah.
event?
PAI.
Yeah.
See, my cursor is waiting at PAI event, guys. My cursor is waiting at PAI event. It is not. It didn't stop at PBO. Means this PBO, whatever the code under PBO, whatever the code under PBO, it didn't get triggered. Why? Because if I perform enter or any option, if I click on change, we have so many buttons, right? If you click on back, anything, the first event is if you are performing a small action also, process after input will get triggered. Process after input will get triggered. See, after this, what will happen, Anna? See, execute. This logic and all I will explain you. No need to worry. See, after this, what will happen is, see, go next. See, after that, again, see, guys, after execution of your PBO, after execution of your PI, again it is jumping to where, Nana? Again it is jumping to where?
PBO.
PBO. Correct? You understood the flow.
Okay.
Okay. Now you see, I am just clicking on slash h, guys. I am clicking on slash h. Now I am clicking on create button, Nana. I am clicking on create button. I am clicking on create button. See, same screen. It is coming to PAI only again. It is coming to PAI only again. Here I want to know which button I have. We have a Sai you come, guys. Sai you come. See, I clicked on create button. System is saying you clicked on create button. For this, if my SIUCOM is create, I will write my create logic. If my SIUCOM is change, see if I click on /h, if I click on /h, if I click on my change button, if I click on my change button, see it is edit. It is edit. For that edit, I will write my edit logic. If my /h, if I click on display button, if I click on display button, see it is display. Under display, I will write my display logic. You understood? Here I have two buttons, Nana. Here I have two buttons. If I click on back button, also PI will get triggered. If I click on next button, also my PI will get triggered. Okay, event will be same. Under that event, I will check you have clicked on which button. If I clicked on next button, then I will call 300 screen. If I clicked on back button, I will call 200 screen. Clear? Everyone is clear?
Yes, Agnesh. Now I'm clear.
Okay.
Yes, Agnesh.
Girls are very silent. Raghu?
Yes.
Okay.
Understood, Agnesh.
Yeah, okay. See guys, module pull, if you understand this is small flow, guys. If you understand this small flow, your module pull is going to be, this journey is going to be very easy, guys. If you have little bit of, okay, let me erase all this. Let me explain you one more same scenario, guys, one more time. Now you have to answer me, guys. Now I am taking 4 screens, guys. Now I am taking 4 screens. From here, see, this is next button. This is next button. If I call next button, sorry, not this one, bad one. This is next one, Nana. If I call this next button, I want to call this screen, Nana, 300 screen. See, call 300 screen. This is 300 screen. If I call this one, if I put a breakpoint here, sorry, if I call this one here, I want to call this screen now, this screen. Okay, let me put 100 numbers first. This is 100. This is 200. To make you confused, guys, because I am calling random screens, so that I want to understand whether you are clear with the concept or not. Now you see, this is a back button. You see, this is the next button, guys. Next button. If I click on this next button, no, it is going to this 300 screen. Here I have 2 back buttons. Here I have 2 back buttons. Here I have back button. Okay. Here I have one next button, guys. Here I have one back button and one next button. Here I have one back button. Next button. See here. If I click on this back button, no, this is a back button, guys, back. If I click on this back button, it has to go to screen 200, guys, screen 200. If I click on back button, it has to go to screen 200. 200. If I click on next button, no, if I click on next button, this is next button. It has to go to screen 400. 400. In the same way, button, guys, exit. If I click on exit, it has to go out. If I click on back button, it has to go to screen 200, guys. It has to go to screen 200. If I click on next button, this is the link, guys. This is a back button. If I click on this back button, it has to go to screen 100. If I click on this next button, it has to go to screen 400. Say empty. Okay, we will take 300. Okay, 400. Anything. Okay. Now for this, the transaction code is ZABC, guys. ZABC. Okay, ZABC. This is my transaction code now. This is my transaction code. This is my first screen. This is my first screen. Now ball is in your code, guys. Now ball is in your code. Now you say me. Now I am executing ZABC, guys. Now I am executing ZABC. Now you say me which event will get triggered and which screen will get displayed.
When you're
Yeah, very good. PBO off. First one is PBO off. PBO of what?
100.
PBO of 100 will get triggered. Very good. Excellent, guys. PBO of 100.
When you
Now
click,
your 100 screen got displayed, guys. Now your 100 screen is getting displayed like this.
yeah,
In this, we have one next button, guys. One next button.
PAI 100 leading to PBO of 300.
Excellent. If I click on this next button, here it will point out towards the what now? P. Okay, this is 100 now. This is 100. Yeah.
PAI 100.
Okay, PAI of 100. Very good.
That will give PBO of 300.
Okay. Inside this PAI of 100, inside this 100, I will write a logic. I will write a logic call 300. I will write a logic call 300. Now, if I am calling this 300, which event will get triggered? PBO of 300. PBO of 300. This is the logic. PBO of girls. Are you clear? Please involve in the class, guys. Please involve in the class. PBO of 300. Now my 300 screen got displayed. Now my 300 screen got displayed. Now my PBO. Now this event will get triggered. Okay. Now this is the screen, guys. Now this is the screen. Okay. Here we have two buttons now. Here I have two buttons. Which are these two buttons? Okay. Now this is 300 screen. This is 300 screen. This is my 300 screen. Now if I click on this back button, what will happen? If I click on this back button, what will happen?
PAI of 300.
Okay. PAI of 300. Yeah. PAI of 200. And next, after this, which event will get triggered?
PBO of 200.
Yeah, means from back to see. From back, we are going to 200. So now we are going to PBO of 100. Sorry, PBO of, sorry.
PAI of 300.
PAI of 300.
PBO
PBO of
200.
200. Excellent. Now your PBO 200 screen will get displayed. Now your 200 screen will get displayed. For example, this is the flow. 1 second. This is the flow, guys. This is the flow. From here, this is the flow. Here it is 200 screen. Here this is 200 screen. Okay. If I click on this button 400, if I click on this button next, if I click on this button, which event will get triggered?
PAI of 300.
Okay.
Then PBO of 400 will be displayed.
Excellent. See, PBO of PAI of 1 second, guys. 1 second. ఉంది క్లాస్ ఉంది ఈరోజు లేదు లీన్ సపోర్ట్ ఉంది నేను సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను ప్రాజెక్ట్లో ఏమన్నా క్లాస్ ఉందా డెమో ఓకే బ్యాకప్ క్లాసెస్ తీసుకుంటాను ఓకే నేను మాట్లాడతాను ఓకే షూర్ ఓకే థ్యాంక్స్ ఇది సౌర్య వాళ్ళది క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంది నేను మళ్ళీ చదివిన క్లాస్ మధ్యలో ఉన్నాను sorry guys, got a call from the institute. Okay, fine. Now you see guys what I'm okay, see now if I am clicking on this 300, this next button, which event will get triggered, Nana? Which event is getting triggered? This next button.
PAI of 100.
PAI of 300. PAI of 100 plus
PBO of 400.
400. Everyone is clear with this flow, Nana? Everyone is clear with this flow? Everyone, everyone, guys, if you understand
Yes, sir.
this flow, if you understand this flow, the module pull programming is going to be, you will enjoy it, guys. Seriously, you will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. Okay. I want you guys to follow this recording one more time. You just understand this flow one more time. Okay, then it will be even more easier, guys. But for time being, okay. You can take this screenshot, guys. You can take this screenshot for your reference. Okay. Okay. Now, what are the T codes? And I told you four events, right? Four events I told you. I told you four events, Nana. What are the PBO, PAI, POH, POV, guys? POV. This remaining two events, this we will discuss, in the middle of the examples, guys. But I told you, right? I am more concentrated on these two events only. I am more concentrated on these two events only. Okay. Now, now how to execute this, how to write these programs, guys? What are the T codes involved? What are the T codes involved? First one is steps, guys. First one is steps. Go to SC38 now. First step is go to SC38. Create a program. But not executable program now. From now, for this module pull programming, you don't select any executable program. We have to select module pull program, Nana. We have to select module pull programming. See, till now, which type of programming we have selected, guys? Which type of programming we have selected? Yeah, jet test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something. If I click on create, see, click on create, Nana. See, test. Here we have type is there, na type. We are selecting executable program, Nana. Till now, till yesterday, we are selecting executable program. Now, for this module, if you are working with the module pool, you have to select this module pool now. You have to select this module pool. Click on save. See, click on save. Nothing. Here we'll change it to module pool, guys. Here we will change it to module pool. Okay. Create a program with the type module pool, guys. With the type module pool. Okay. We have to select with the type module pool. Now save, activate. That's it. Just guys, save and activate. This is step 1 now. Are we clear with the step 1? Okay, let me write in a new page. We have so many pages, guys. Let me write in a new page. This is step 1, Nana. This is step 1. Now let me go to step 2. Let me go to step 2. Now go to SC51, guys. Go to SC51, guys. SC51. See, now you copy this program name. See, whatever the program you have created on SC38, whatever program you have copied in SC38, copy that program and go to SC51, guys. See, activate this program. Just activate this program, Nana. You copy this program name. Just to copy this program. Go back. Now go to SC51 transaction. Nana. Click on SC51. See, here you give the same program name, whatever you have created in SC38. You copy, paste here. Guys. See, this is the screen, Nana. This is the screen. You give any screen number. Let me give screen 999, guys. Let me give screen 999. I'm giving screen 999. Any screen number, guys. Click on create. As soon as you click on create, you will get like this. My first program. Nothing to do. Just to give your short description. Click on this flow logic tab, guys. As soon as you click on this flow logic tab, What are the events you are able to see, Nana? What are the 2 default events you are able to see?
PBO, PBI.
Yeah,
RPI.
every screen we will have 2 events, Nana. Every screen we will have 2 events. See, this is what we have discussed till now. PBO and PI, PBO and PI. But you have to know the flow on which step, which event is getting triggered. That is the flow you need to understand. If you understand this flow, the remaining will be very, very easy, guys. Okay. Okay. Now I'm not designing anything, guys. I'm not designing anything. See, here we have to click on this layout. Here we have to click on this layout, Nana. Here we have to click on this layout. These are the tools. These are the tools to design your screen, Nana. These are the tools. See, this is the radio button. See, this is the radio button, Nana. This is the radio button. See, this is a push button box. See, push button, Nana. Box. This is a push buttons. We have so many tools, guys. These are the tools we have to design our screen. To design our screen, we have this many tools, guys. We will see one by one going forward. We will see one by one going forward. Now go back. See, click on this flow logic. You will go to your screen, guys. You will go to your screen. Just activate. Just activate, guys. Just activate. Okay, go back. Go back. Means after designing your screen, now you have to see that one design screen, guys. Design screen and write logic. Write logic. Write your logic. Now step 4, guys. Sorry, step 3. Go to SC93, guys. Go to SC. Create a T code. T code. Guys, which type of programming, guys? This is which type of programming? This is which type of programming? Which type of programming we have selected?
Module pool.
Programming, module pool programming. See, only executable programs. Remember my statement, guys. Remember my statement. Please understand my statement. Only executable programs can get executed by independently. See, till now, have you ever created any T code? See, for example, any string operations, any reports. Have you ever created any T codes, guys? Have you ever created? No, guys, we have not created any T codes. Why? Because our program type is executable type. Our program type is executable. But now we are selecting, module pool, guys. Type is module pool, means that program cannot get executed independently. So what we have to do is we have to create a T code, Nana. We have to create a T code. T code for that. SC93 is the T code. Go to SC93. Now you copy this program name and the screen number. Your starting screen, and I told you now, your starting screen. I was saying starting screen is 100. Starting screen is 100. So what I will do, let me go to screen SC93. Give your transaction code, guys. Give your transaction code JABC1 something. Give some name. Give some transaction code. This is your T code, guys. How you are using SC38 like that? You are creating one transaction code. Click on create. Click on create, Nana. See here you give description. Test T code. Something. Some description. See first one, Nana. Dialog programming. Dialog transaction. First radio button. Click on OK. Now here you select your program name. Whatever the program name you have selected, you give your program name and your screen number, Nana. Initial screen. What is your initial screen? My initial screen is 900. Now you save. That's it. Now you can use this transaction code here, Nana. Go back. Go back. Here you can fire your transaction code, guys. See here you can fire here. Here you can fire it, guys. But we have not written that activations part and all, so it is giving dump. But see, guys, you understood whatever the transaction code. See, whatever the transaction code you have given here, you can execute this transaction code, guys. You can execute this transaction code. You can execute this transaction code directly to trigger this program. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one more step, guys. Not now. After 2 or 3 demos, I will skip these steps, guys. I will skip these steps. Instead of this, I will directly use SC80, guys. There is a transaction code called SC80. In SC80, In SC80, I can create my screen and I can create my T code in one spot only, but not now. I will show you going forward. Okay. For time being, what are the transaction codes involved is SC38, SC51, SC93, and SC80, guys. These are the transaction codes. These are the transaction codes involved in module pool, guys. Module pool, MPP. Are we clear so far?
Yes.
Okay, good,
Yes,
good,
sir.
good. I will break class for today, guys. I will break class for today. I recommend you, guys. Please watch recording.